Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete an object from a chart in MetaTrader 4. To delete an object from a chart in MetaTrader 4, first of all, open the MetaTrader 4 app on your device and make sure that you're signed in. From the Codes tab, tap on the chart option at the bottom after you're in the home page. And then go ahead and tap on the object to bring up the properties or edit menu. Simply press hold the object and you will see this little pop-up where you can tap on delete in order to delete the object. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see that the object has been deleted from your chart. And that's how you easily delete an object in just a couple of minutes from your MetaTrader 4 charts. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.